Welcome students. Today's session very important 11th standard chemistry electronic configuration properties. So four major properties is applied to the every atom of ions basic concept. So first redox concept for 10th standard studied well, and that ions atoms are color or colorless identified, and magnetic properties paramagnetic or diamagnetics identified, and stability that ions or atom stable or unstable identified. What is the will be identified the based on the atomic number, and you will be write it for the alpha principle, and outermost subcells how will be based on the outermost subcells present of electrons atoms easily identified. So the four concept will be trick and very important for the every upcoming chemistries, every path very important. So listen and proper well students. And 11th standard chemistry electronic configuration properties is apply already alpha principle, scandium to zinc will be right. So that the electrons, that atoms will be possible. So oxidation, loss of electrons, oxidation, that element will be the electrons loss. Example you will be consider ions, atomic number 26, that element argon 18 will be shortly right, and outermost electronic configuration 4s to 3d6 will be the draw the electronic configuration structure completely filled, and d orbital 5 subcell box clockwise 1 2 3 4 5 and 6 electrons. So it will be the normal ions atoms. The ions will be loss of electrons, will be mention of power 1 electrons loss will be mention of plus, and 2 electrons loss will be the 2 plus, and Fe orbitals will be the loss of electrons is the Fe3 plus. So first will be the draw 1 electrons will be lost is the unpaired electrons of 4s2 is the same possible, and 3d5. So first will be loss of the small energy of s orbital loss. So 4s1 4s2 completely, and 3d5 off filled, 3d5 off filled the 1 electrons will be lost, but this is not the possibles. And next will be the currently Fe2 plus, the directly enter 3d6 will be the stable, 4s2 electrons will be lost, 4s2 electrons will be lost. So 3d6 orbitals 6 electrons also same present, but 4s orbitals 2 electrons will be the loss, 4s 2 electrons will be lost. So mention of 2 plus. So loss of electrons, the ions power value, the mention of 2 electrons loss means 2 plus, 2 electrons loss means mention of 2 plus. So 3 electrons loss, first of all 2 electrons 4s orbital lower energy orbital 4s will be the 0, and 3d how many electrons also here 6, so another one loss, so balance 5. So 3 electrons loss is also mentioned, so 3d5. So original values 4s to 3d6, 2 electrons loss, another one loss, balance 5. So up 4s 0 3d5, so will be right. So 3d5 are filled of the Fe3 plus, and 4s0 3d5 and 4s0 is the electronic configuration is a 0. So will be thus loss of electrons, mention of power positive charges of how many electrons loss mentions positive charges of values. So something will be the gain of electrons is also reduction. Example you will be consider of oxygen atom, atomic number 8 you know, 1s2 2s2 2p4 also, 2p4 also. So you will be consider possibles of outermost cell um, directly write 2p orbital 3 subcells 1 2 3 4 2 electrons gain possible, here one is also anti-clockwise possibles. So oxygen atom 1 electrons gain, you will be the charge mentions of negative charge. Gain of electrons means you will be mention of minus charge is a negative charge. So outermost subcell 1s2 2s2 2p 5 will be right outermost subcells answer only. So 2p5 will be right, and compared to the oxygen atom another one possible 2 electrons gain. So 2 electrons gains means 2 negative. So outermost answers 1s2 2s2 2p6 will be that possibles completely filled. First will be right clockwise, another will be right anti-clockwise. So the possibles of gain of electrons, that atom is a reduction. So something like that, Fe3 plus another one electrons will be gain possible. Gain possible is called reduction process. Fe3 plus change into the Fe2 plus, another Fe2 plus change into the Fe3 plus is the possibles of the nature. So Fe3 plus convert of Fe2 plus means 1 electrons gain. So gain of electrons reduction. Fe2 plus atom loss of 1 electrons means Fe3 plus change is a loss of electrons oxidation. Fe3 plus 2 Fe2 plus change means gain of electrons reduction. Fe2 plus 2 Fe3 plus change loss of electrons is called oxidation. So very important, oxidation and reduction process. It will be lowest and 10th standard book, it will be the trick. Loss of electrons oxidation Leo, and gain of electrons reduction is a GER. It will be the just for clue words. So just against clue word will be added. Loss of electrons oxidation means plus, gain of electrons reduction means negative. So it will be just for clue word. That atoms, the power of the value positive charge means loss of electrons. That atom power of value is negative charge means it will be the gain of electrons. Is no charges of atoms is the neutral ions. Next will be the properties. Next property, color or colorless. Outermost orbitals unpaired electrons. The second property is very important. Outermost orbitals unpaired electrons present. The example already considered is the follow that Fe2 plus and Fe3 plus outermost orbitals is unpaired electrons. So easily identified that compound is that ions is color ions. So example, ion present of the heme, so red coloration will be known, the red is brown coloration. So outermost subcell will be present of unpaired electrons, so color. What is meant by colorless? Outermost orbitals empty or completely filled. So already this one the rules, example like that the ion, so completely filled. Example like that zinc, atomic number 30, it will be considered argon 18, so 18, and next will be workout of 4s2 3d10 completely filled of d subcell, so that ions is colorless. Something the another one possible will be the scandium, is the atomic number 21, argon 18 4s2 3d1 will be the scandium. 3 electrons will be lost. Will be loss of mentions of charges, do not write the atomic number. That electronic configuration argon 18 4s0 3d0, so 3 electrons will be lost. So that orbitals is outermost subcell empty. So scandium 3 plus is colorless, but scandium is colored. Scandium is color. Why? So scandium outermost subcell 4s2 3d1, scandium 3 plus 4s0 3d0, outermost subcell empty of orbitals. So that rules is outermost orbital empty. One example also here, completely filled example like that, the zinc also discussed. And next will be the magnetic properties, the same topic repeated. Outermost orbital unpaired electrons present. Outermost orbital unpaired electrons present means will be clue word unpaired. Unpaired is a para. Unpaired paramagnetic is just for clue word. So unpaired electrons were present, ions unpaired electrons present is called paramagnetic. Is a magnetic movements attraction is also present, will be easily reactive of the atoms. One ions to is the possibles of redox reactions. And next will be compared to the zinc completely filled is called diamagnetic. Outermost orbitals empty are completely filled. That like that example, scandium 3 plus is empty, so is a diamagnetic. Compared to the zinc, outermost subcell completely filled, colorless. So next, the diamagnetic nature, magnetic movement is called zero. Next we will be consider the magnetic properties. Paired electrons outermost cells will be present is called paramagnetic. Completely filled or empty subcell outermost orbital present is called diamagnetic. And last one properties, stability. So stable and unstable properties, that ion stable or unstable properties. What is that, the stable or unstable properties? So unstable outermost orbitals unpaired electrons present, so very important, unpaired electrons present is called unstable. But like that stable outermost orbital unpaired electrons off filled means more stable. It's a very important point that the most of students mistake of the position. Outermost cell subcell orbitals unpaired electrons present is called unstable. But like that stable point outermost orbital half filled means is the more stable, and completely filled means more stable. Compare like that the zinc outermost orbitals completely filled more stable, compared to the Fe2 plus and Fe3 plus, compared to the two different properties. So Fe2 plus and Fe3 plus are gone 4s2 3d6, and the loss of 2 electrons is a 4s0. And next will be the right argon 4s0 3d5. So here 3d6 example, you will be d orbital only you will be draw 1 2 3 4 5, another one unpaired electrons, you will be properly do not off filled. So this is a unstable, but the d orbitals Fe3 plus is called off filled properly, 1 2 3 4 5, properly off filled of unpaired electrons is a stable. That complex the four properties apply is called is the loss of electron oxidation. Fe2 plus and Fe3 plus compare is called first stable. This is a Fe2 plus unstable, Fe3 plus stable. Compared to the color property, both are loss of electrons, both are unpaired electrons. Here that ions is called color, that ions also color. So stability is also verified, color also verified, magnetic property both are unpaired electrons is called paramagnetic. So magnetic movement is also present, both are paramagnetic, where the position will be changed, unstable, stable. Next will be discussed the very important four properties will be clue words. So identify of the positive charge is called oxidation, and that atoms present of the negative charge is called reduction. What is mean by positive charge? Loss of electrons. And how many percent of the positive charge? 4 plus means 4 electrons loss. Another next possibility is 2 negative charge is also present, means 2 electrons gains, is called reduction. Is the first properties. So reduction, mention of re and ox, read, and next will be ox. Will be the same both possibles for some metal ions. Will be the 2 reactions possible, loss of electrons possible, gain of electrons possible, is called redox reaction. Is called redox reaction. Read plus ox, redox reaction. Next, colorless properties. Outermost subcell unpaired electrons present will become confirm of that ions are color. Outermost subcell is also empty or completely filled, that atoms or ions is called colorless. And magnetic properties the same like that the answer. Outermost orbitals unpaired electrons present is called paramagnetic. Clue word unpair is a paramagnetic. Outermost orbital is called empty, is called and completely filled is called diamagnetic nature. And stability, outermost orbitals unpaired electrons present but do not half filled means unstable, and outermost orbital half filled and completely filled is called more stable. Another one he will be very important 4 properties. Upcoming next level your 12th standard study is very important. The most of 12th public questions is also present, 11th basic questions. So you will be 12th standard students will be asked that do not 4 properties proper well prepared for 12th standard chemistry books, but the below average mark for 12th standard. So very important upcoming level for 12th standard, 11th to 12th standard, 11th basics and 11th very important upcoming 12th syllabus. Thank you to all.